Dear students, how are you? I think you are well at your home. I already uploaded many videos in your classroom. I think you all visited your website and you enjoyed the class. Today, I would like to upload another video. Let us start our video today. Welcome to our online class. First of all, this is myself, Mohammad Monir Hussain, Assistant Professor in English, Bhasha Shahid Abdul Jabbar Ansar VDP School and College, Shafipur, Gajipur. You know my contact number is 01715253040, and this slide is for 11 and 12. This is both for first paper and second paper. What can you see in this picture? There are some people in the boat and they are enjoying the sight, and some are taking picture and some are gossiping. So what can be our today's topic? Let us see. Today our topic is a journey by boat, a composition, which is included in your second paper, and you will discuss it with your partner. What will you learn after completing the lesson? At the end of the lesson, we'll be able to write a composition, describe a journey by boat, know how to write a composition. What can you see in these pictures? This is river and this is canal. In the river, a boat is flying and there is a boatman here, and in the canal there are some boats and they were plying boats and carrying perhaps guavas. What can I see? Bangladesh is a country of rivers and canals. Then, so a journey by boat is easy and cheap here. A journey by boat is also very common. It is very risky, it is very easy, it is very less risky than other trip. That's why many people enjoy it very much. So this is introduction. Bangladesh is a country of rivers and canals. So dash and dash, you will have to complete it. Let us see another picture. This is a picture also. This is a journey by boat, and you see in the boat there are a lot of people here. They are sitting down and they are going from one place to another. I like a journey by what? What will be there? Boat. Every year I take at least a dash by boat, at least a journey by boat. My house is at the dash of a river Madhumati by name. House is at the, what would be there? House at the bank of a river Madhumati. The name of the river is Madhumati. Please look at another picture. This is another style of boat. That means there are huge kinds of boats here. Last week, I took a journey by boat. Why I took a journey? This is a common scenario in our rural area. What the picture says about us. Let us see. I and two other friends were invited to attend a marriage ceremony of one of our friend's sister. That means this is the uh, marriage ceremonial uh, program. So you and one of your friends are invited to the marriage ceremony of your friend's sister. It was about 15 kilometers away from our home. There was no alternative way to go there without boat. That means the only way to go to your friend's house is riverway. So this is the only way to go by boat. So you and other two. So we hired a boat. It was an open boat. There is no cover here. So it was an open boat. There was an expert boatman in our boat. The sky was somewhat cloudy. Gentle breeze was blowing over the river. This is the place from where you started your journey, and this is the place to where you will end your journey. You will go to. Our destination was dash from dash. That means from Patgati to Huddersfield. We dash our journey at 7:30 in the morning. We dash our journey. That means we started our journey at 7:30 in the morning. We took some cooking dash with us. Cooking, what is cooking? What will be there? Cooking materials with us. The boatman himself was a cook. Our boat began to move slowly. Gradually, the boat raised its speed. What can you see? There are three pictures here. Somewhere catching fish, spreading net. Some little boys were swimming and playing, and some other little boys were swimming in the mud with water. After a while, we saw the children. Children, what will they doing? Playing. And the fishermen, what are they doing? Fishing in the river. Now, what can you see in these two pictures? We enjoyed the green fields, a huge number of green fields here, a vast of green fields here, and paddy fields in the both side of the river. What can you see in this picture? They are doing something. What are they doing? We saw the women fetching water. They are fetching water from the river to their jar. Yes, this is very excellent picture. What can you see in this picture? By we saw a fisherman catching fishes near our boat. Whenever we are flying boat, we saw a fisherman catching fish near our boat. We called him and found live hilsha fish in his boat. Whenever we called him, we saw that he just caught a live hilsha from the river. We bought it from the fisherman. This was the first time I saw a live hilsha fish. It was really a great pleasure to me seeing a live hilsha fish. Really, whenever you will see that a live hilsha in your way to boat, I think maximum of you, most of you, didn't see a live hilsha even now. Whenever you will see it, it will make you a great pleasure. So, what can you see in the picture? Perhaps there are some gatherings here, gathering of people. There are some people who are selling something. There are some people who are getting something after buying their goods. When it was 12 o'clock, you started your journey at 7:30. And whenever it is 12 o'clock, our boat cast anchor in a riverbank market. This is a market. We bought rice, eggs, potatoes, and some spices from the market. So, this is an excellent scenario. At a little distance of the market, we choose a beautiful wood place for cooking our foods. That means here we stopped our journey and we cooked our food in this place. When the boatman was cooking food for us, we were walking in the jungle and enjoying the natural beauty of the jungle. After an hour, we enjoyed the lunch with the Hilsa fish curry. How tasty the food was, we never forget it. That means the fish was just live. That Hilsa fish was cooked and we enjoyed it. This was really very enjoyable. What can you see there? After taking rest for a while, we again started our journey. Just we are coming to the boat. Again, the river was making little waves. There are some waves here by the wind blowing over it. Gradually, it became afternoon. The western sky was turning into red side in color. This is the reddish sky when the sun was setting in the western horizon. Enjoying the sunset, we reached the destination. Though we passed a long way in the river, we enjoyed it very much. It was a memory of life. I will never forget it. Thank you all. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.